Oh my god, I'm actually scared. It's the fucking Abraham Lincoln. The fuck's going on with that guy? Oh! Fight demons. Yo, that goes hard. Oh! Oh! Kiss me! I don't want to die, virgin! Kiss me! Kiss me! What? Oh, okay, we're all chill. Who's that touching me?
Now who invited you here?
Fuck, it's a Japanese. Oh, why does my asshole feel sore? Guy's dead. Oh, oh, hang on. Are you okay there, buddy? What? I'm a fat loser. Take clothing off. Take clothing off. Dang it. This light isn't very bright. What? What? The fuck? What? What? Pause, 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 pause. Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear those footsteps? I'm about to cry. Real tears. Real tears! Oh, the bats. Oh guys, I threw the flares without fucking it.
Did you see it?
What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Hang on. Real note. God! I can't play this. I can't play this game. What the Phillip was that? I feel like we should be building a base. Something. Maybe we build it here. What? What is that? No way. What is that? Please be horses. Please be horses. Please be horses. I was just about to build my base here, bro. What? What is that thing doing? Why are they praying? Why are they praying? Like, I don't even want to know if he dies. What the fuck is the raccoons doing? What are they doing, bro? Am I the Messiah? What is this? Hang on a minute. What the fuck? It's a golf buggy. Ah. Hang on, what's this? Oh, it's a big booty hole. Oh my god, this is sick! Wow. Well, I'm a female and I'm not very good at driving, so this is probably not the best idea. Let's get out of this for now. Wait, zoom in on the trucker by pressing... What? What is that? What is that thing? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? No. No. Kelvin? Kelvin, I know you're fucking retarded, but you're not fucking blind, bro.
I want to be
What?
ninja.
It's fucking Jackie Chan! She's coming close. Stun the bitch! Stun the bitch! Yeah, seizure, seizure. Oh, nightmare, 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 nightmare. Die, motherfucker! Oh, oh, Kelvin! Kelvin, brother! Kelvin! Oh, hang on. Are you friendly? Um. You was not friendly. You was not a brother. You was not a. There's a whole fucking gang of them. Alright, you know what? I'm not standing for this shit. Are they fighting each other? Oh my god, it's a race war. It's a race war. It's a fucking race war, bro. My brothers, we is all the same. We is all the same, my brothers.
Hey, who's you dumb motherfucker? Who's can't? Hey, who's can't?
Oh my, what just came off of him? What is this though, for real? Skin pouch. Skin pouch. I don't want no skin pouch. What? Huh? Open? What do you mean? What the fuck was... What the fuck is that? This fucking monkey. And I'm not saying that to be racist. I'm just saying that because he looks like a monkey. Give me another skin pouch. Give me a skin pouch. Yeah, give me it. Give me your limbs. Give me your limbs. Give me... What? No! Why am I such a fatty that eats everything? Why? I don't want to munch on it. Do I have a problem? Do I have autism? Oh my... Is this what I'm surrounded by? Is this fucking booty cheeks? Hell yeah. Oh look! What the fuck? What is that?
Choke me, devil daddy, choke me!
What?
Ready to fucking die?
Yeah, I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
Oh my god. Okay, I'll go back to my fucking lobby, bro. Well. No. 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 Please, please. Oh. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Fucking dog. Oh! It's quite a large open field. Doesn't mean I'm not scared. If there's one thing about me, it's that I get scared. Oh! Oh wow! Oh my god. Pop him now. I'm gonna go fight those guys. Come on, Geordie. I'm ready for this. I've trained my whole life for this.
5 minutes later.
That's me done, guys. Oh! Alright. Nice to meet you guys. Cool. Same time next week. Same time next week. Now you go. Now you go.
What the?
Oh, damn. How you like that, bitch? Yeah. Eat it. Fucking bitch, get it. Fuck you, bitch. I'm actually so scared. Like, this is how my ancestors must have felt. Oh, I got a skin pouch. Unbox my skin pouch with me. Limited edition. Legendary. Oh, dang it. Alright, do you want to go, bro? Like, you're lucky I'm shit. Yeah, you're lucky I'm a shitter. Otherwise I would have clapped you. Oh! What does that mean? What does that mean?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
I'm in enemy territory. Quick, he's occupied. Quick. Oh! Okay. Fuck, pick it up, bro! Pick it up! Faster!
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.
You just gave me a fucking reach around and I fucking died. What? Okay, so I'm like not even tired at all, so I've actually got to do stuff. This is punishment, actually. I've been a pussy for too long. I've actually got to fucking play the game now. But at night?
Hello.
Oh, no. I'm not going out there. I can't do that.